I got a question from a student who wants to know how to use the word worth. Use worth when talking about value. I have a $5 bill here, and it's worth $5. It has the same value as five $1 bills. So it's worth $5. If I tried to sell this old wagon, I'd probably get about $5 for it. It's worth $5. I have a $100 bill. It's worth $100. It's really just a piece of paper, but I believe it's worth $100, and people who receive it from me also believe in its worth. I also have a guitar, which I bought about 20 years ago, and I paid $600 for this guitar. But now, what is it worth? What's the value of the guitar? It could increase in value, or it could go down in value. So it could be worth more or less than what I paid for it originally. You can use the word worth as an adjective or as a noun. What is it worth? In that question, the word worth is an adjective. When talking about the worth, then you're using a noun. What is an experience worth? When you take a trip and you go on vacation, what is it worth to you to go to that place or go to a place with your family?
Excuse me, don't move.
What is an education worth? What is the value of an education? What is it worth?
Clarence, Schulenberg. Colin, Hop, Schweikart.
Notice that the queen is on her own color. The dark colored space here is occupied by the queen,